Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit photos like a pro using Lightroom mobile. Alright, first thing, you can just open Lightroom mobile and import your photo. In here, I've already added once. And once it's in, you can just tap on here. You can start with the basic by using the uh, lights menu. So you can here click on edit, and then here is my natural yet cinematic look trick. So you can just increase the exposure slightly to brighten up your photo. Just slightly slide it to the right, and then here lower the highlights to bring back the details, and raise the shadows to recover the dark areas, and adjust the contrast to make it pop a little more. Okay, so these steps already makes your photo looks more balanced and professional. Now let's add some color magic. You can just go to the color tab in here, and here's what you can play with. So the temperature, make it warmer or cooler depending on your vibe. You can just go to the right if you want to make it warmer, or go to the left if you want to make it cooler. I think I'm going to go with warm a little bit. I'm going to just increase it to around 3 or maybe 5. I think I'm going to just go with 6. Okay, and then for the vibrance, you can boost muted colors only. It's great for natural tones. Okay, and for the saturation, it will make all the colors stronger, so use it lightly. I'm going to just go with 6, and then you can tap on the color mix or HSL, and you can fine-tune individual colors. For example, you need to make the blues deeper or green softer for that dreamy look. I think I'm going to just go. You can go to grading in here, or you can also go to mix. You can adjust each color separately in here. I'm going to just skip that part for now. So it's time for the Pro Touch. You can add 2 effects for and a details tab. Let's go to the effects first in here. You can add a little clarity to make the texture pop, and a touch of dehaze that can make the skies, if you have one, and depth stronger, or a slight thinny effect to add focus to your subject. This one. Like this. And this subtle adjustment make your photos go from okay to wow without looking over edited. So once you're happy with your edit, you can just tap on the share icon at the top and choose to export as JPEG. This one, I'm going to go with JPG, sorry. And after that, if you want to keep your quality high for Instagram or prints, you need to set the quality to 100%. And now you can just tap on a check icon, and there you go. You've just edited a professional quality photo right on your phone using Lightroom mobile, no PC required. So if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, comment below, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!